impact of human activities on the environment. Advances in computer technology have made it possible to develop sophisticated models that can inform policy decisions and promote sustainable development. Carbon markets. Carbon markets are a mechanism that allows companies to trade carbon credits, which represent the right to emit a certain amount of greenhouse gases. Science and technology are being used to develop innovative solutions for carbon markets, such as blockchain technology, which can provide a transparent and secure platform for trading carbon credits. Waste reduction. Science and technology are being used to develop innovative solutions for waste reduction, such as the development of biodegradable plastics and the use of robots to sort and recycle waste. These solutions offer a sustainable alternative to traditional methods of waste disposal and promote a circular economy. Climate modeling. Climate modeling is a field of study that uses computer models to simulate the Earth's climate and predict the impact of climate change. Advances in computer technology have made it possible to develop sophisticated models that can inform policy decisions and promote sustainable development. Environmental policy. Science and technology are being used to inform environmental policy decisions and promote sustainable development. Data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence are being used to analyze environmental data and inform policy decisions that promote sustainability and reduce environmental impact. Ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration is the process of repairing damaged ecosystems and restoring them to their natural state. Science and technology are being used to develop innovative solutions for ecosystem restoration, such as the use of drones to plant trees in hard-to-reach areas, and the use of genetic engineering to create more resilient plant species. Clean water technology. Clean water technology is being developed to address the global challenge of water scarcity and pollution. Innovative solutions such as desalination, water filtration, and water treatment technologies are being used to provide clean water to communities and promote sustainable water use. Green chemistry. Green chemistry is a field of study that aims to develop chemical products and processes that are environmentally friendly. Science and technology are being used to develop innovative solutions for green chemistry, such as developing biodegradable plastics and using renewable resources as raw materials. Sustainable transportation. Sustainable transportation is being developed to reduce the environmental impact of transportation, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable mobility. Innovations such as electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles, public transportation systems, and bike-sharing programs are being used to promote sustainable transportation. Climate adaptation. Climate adaptation is the process of preparing for and adapting to the impacts of climate change. Science and technology are being used to develop innovative solutions for climate adaptation, such as developing drought-resistant crops and building seawalls to protect coastal communities from rising sea levels. Biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation involves protecting and preserving the diversity of plant and animal species on Earth. Science and technology are being used to develop innovative solutions for biodiversity conservation, such as using DNA sequencing to identify and protect endangered species and using remote sensing technologies to monitor and protect ecosystems. Sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism is being developed to promote responsible tourism practices and reduce the negative impact of tourism on the environment. Innovations such as ecotourism, low-impact tourism, and sustainable tourism certifications are being used to promote sustainable tourism practices. Green finance. Green finance is the practice of investing in environmentally friendly projects and companies.